I'd now like to introduce you to the Macquarie University Student Code of Conduct. The university is a large community, like a reasonable sized town, of between 50 and 60,000 people. So it requires that it set out all kinds of expectations about how people should behave when they're engaging with the business of the university, or on campus, or dealing with one another, or working on behalf of the university. And the Student Code of Conduct simply spells out in some detail what the limits are of acceptable behaviour for all students on campus. It's matched by, of course, a Macquarie University Staff Code of Conduct, which deals with the same kinds of issues as they apply to staff. So I recommend you have a look at the provisions of the Student Code of Conduct. It spells out in great detail exactly what the unacceptable behaviours are for all students and candidates while they're dealing with the university. I won't go through it now in detail. It's quite an extensive document, but it does cover areas to do with your behaviour while on campus, how you interact with others, whether they be other students, with staff members, or with members of the public who might be on campus. It also deals with the behaviour of groups of students and candidates together, whether they be in formal organisations like clubs and societies, or whether they simply be social groups on campus. So, as I say, have a look at the Code of Conduct. I'd encourage you to read through it. It defines exactly what it means by many of the terms that it uses. So it clarifies exactly not only what behaviours are acceptable and unacceptable, but exactly what each particular term might mean. Most of it is fairly straightforward and what you'd expect. It covers things right from what's illegal all the way through to simply what's considered unacceptable social behaviour and interaction. But it is worth getting clear in your mind exactly what the university's expectations are. The link here provides you access to the document, and I'd recommend you have a read of it as soon as you can.